What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. If you have not, make sure you drop a like, a subscribe. That way you'll know again when all this wonderful content goes live. Now, there's something that I really want to talk to you about today, and you may have questions about how early you are in crypto, right? Has the space passed you by? Is it too late to get in now? Well, we're going to dive into this a little bit with a few statistics. I'm going to make sure it's not boring, but it will open your eyes to things that you may not have expected. Now, if we take a look at the total current value of the US stock market, so just here at home, not anything outside of the country, not futures, anything like that, just the US stock market, the total current value sits at about $48 trillion, right? Now, if we take a look at the US housing market, that sits right now at a total of $43 trillion. Now, keep in mind, some of these numbers might be a bit dated, can only find so much on the internet in a short period of time, right? Now, looking back at some of the growth that has been in the space, for stocks, for example, dating back to 2001, the total market cap for stocks was $13 trillion. So basically the total value of the US stock market. Fast forward to 2021 and we're sitting at $53 trillion. So we actually gained about $40 trillion worth of value over the last 20 years. And you may think, well, $40 trillion, that's amazing. I can't believe it grew that fast. Well, what's kind of cool is that if we take a look at cryptocurrency, we currently sit at a total market cap or value of $1.1 trillion. Now you're probably thinking, oh, that's way less. True. Keep in mind though, crypto has not been around quite as long as some of these other things that are in existence. If we take a look at just the growth of crypto alone, over the last 8 years or so, right? We can kind of see how things have been trending. If we take a look at 2014, we had a total market cap of somewhere in that, $13 billion range. So total value of the whole crypto market, $13 billion. Fast forward to 2018, we were sitting at a total value of $730 billion, right? It's going up. If we look at now what happened at the end of the last bull cycle for cryptocurrency, we hit almost $3 trillion. So we have numbers starting to approach what we're seeing in some of the other sectors like housing, the stock market, stuff like that, right? Now, how high can these numbers go, right? They're just, digital tokens on the internet. Well, the crypto space is ever expanding. Not only do we have cryptocurrency, but we have things like NFTs, we have the metaverse. I mean, there's tons and tons of companies pouring countless dollars into R&D and figuring out how they can get their stranglehold or their place in these sectors, right? Some of the projections that I've seen come out have been quite surprising, to be honest. Some flow models, for example, are showing that the Bitcoin market cap alone is projected to go to $100 trillion. So actually outpace both the stock market and the US housing market put together, which is just incredible, right? Now, they are expecting it to take some time to do that. They are thinking that it could be somewhere around 2028. Now, this is not financial advice, but one more thing to show you how early you might be is currently the global crypto adoption appears to be only at an average of about 4.2%. So there's not a big portion of the world that owns crypto or even knows what it is, right? But I commend you for taking this step and starting your journey here with us at ClearCryptos, because in that way, we can help you along the way and you can get to where you want to be. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like, a subscribe. That way you'll know when all of our videos go live. And we're happy to have you on this journey.